Life can be funny. At one point, you have all you need, in fact, in plenty. You have the beautiful things, you can be served so well, and at another point, life is miserable. You need this, it's not there. You want that, it isn't there. You are doing this, it's not succeeding. Even in the Bible, Joseph talked of the 7 years of plenty and the 7 years of scarce, and it had come to pass. You visit the Mara, one day you are treated so well, you're given a preference of a tourist. The second time you go there, or in a different place in the same Mara, either sleep hungry or you miss what to eat. You miss where to sleep, or you have nobody to receive you up. It is life. That's what life is all about. When you have, thank God. And when you don't have, equally, thank God.